What is up guys, you're watching Gator RC, and for today we're at this beautiful beach here, and the plan is to film like a cinematic, like really realistic video of one of my 3D printed cars. But now that I'm here, there's actually lots of people here, so I'm not sure how well it's gonna go. Now this is the kind of thing that I'm aiming for, and this video is gonna be like a behind the scenes of making that. Hopefully it's gonna come out well, but there might be too many people, guys, I'm not very sure. So my plan is to film this video between the people that are walking here. So when there's no one here, that's when I'm gonna get the car out and try and get some shots. But I'm not very sure if it's gonna come out very well. This is the car that we're gonna be using today. It's a fully 3D printed Dodge. I think it's a Dodge at least. It's from 3D Sets, link to it will be in the description. I have a couple of videos about it already. It looks beautiful. The bonnet opens, the doors opened, everything opens up. Absolutely awesome car. We've got a full scale engine inside, opening trunk at the back, and also inside we have a figure and a full interior. So it's a really nice car, and hopefully it's gonna look good on this beach, but let's see. Okay, looks like we have a camper parking here, so awesome. So first off, I think we need some nice establishing shots and maybe some drone shots. So when I am doing something like this in terms of video, I like to get a nice establishing shot here. Maybe just a close-up of the sea or something along those lines. I think that would look pretty snazzy. Next, a shot over here of just the wide open road where it's going to be driving on. Next up, let's get some drone shots. So, first let's get a wide opening shot here with the beach, with the sea, and with some of the grass on the right. I think that looks beautiful. And now I threw it into sport mode, so let's get a faster, lower pass in. We can also reverse this later and have like a perspective of the car driving. Very nice. And maybe just one more going back just to make sure that we have it. And now let's get the drone back and take out the car. Okay, so first shot with the car. Just a nice one of it driving up, and the steering trim is a little bit off. Okay, I think I absolutely nailed that shot, but I also think that the microphone should be here in the bonnet somewhere. I think
here in the corner or over there.
Yeah, like this?
Yeah.
Shall we glue it or just?
No, just leave it.
Nah, it's gonna rattle and make a weird sound in there.
Make a piece of paper, look. There is a
No,
towel.
look, double-sided tape here.
Okay, I cut the tape for you.
I'll take the microphone thingy off. Put that here. Thank you. Oh. Okay, piece of double-sided tape.
Yeah.
And let's stick that guy just in there. That's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, panning shot, take one. Okay, coming in hot. Other way around. Awesome. Okay, 1 second. Okay, again. Okay, I've got the wide angle lens again, and my daddy's just gonna throw it to the side. It's gonna look awesome, I bet you. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Maybe if you go from there and brake here. Wow. This car is so cool. Wait. Okay, go. That was awesome. That was really good, I think. Let me see.
Ready?
Yeah, let's go. Okay. So far, this is going phenomenally well. I think next up, we need to put some of the cameras on the car and get some POV shots. So I think I'm gonna put the first one on here. That would be a pretty interesting shot, I think. Hopefully. Just like that. And I'm just gonna plop the second one right there. That's gonna be interesting as well. Okay, camera's on. Let's go out for another one. This is such a fun project. I have to do this more often. These cinematic videos. Wow, the car sounds beautiful. Okay, first pass coming in.
Faster, don't be afraid of this.
I don't want to tumble it or something. Okay, full power this time. Wow. Okay, I think that's enough for this angle. Okay, let's go for the second run. I've turned around the camera. This one that's on the door, so it should be a little bit of a different angle onto the front wheel. It's only when I turn right, or no, when I turn left that the camera gets covered in sand. Right now it's gonna get covered. Yeah, there we go. So not too many left turns. Okay, I think that's enough for this one. Yep, once again, that one is pretty coated in sand, but I'm sure that the shot was really good. How do I clean this off now? Look at that camera on the side. It is completely caked. Jeez. Okay, well this time I'm gonna get you guys inside and camera B on the roof. So, good luck in there. I think all of that went really damn well. I'm very happy with it. I think the last couple of shots we need is on this soft sand. As you can see, it is very, almost like dust. So the car will start very nicely here, especially in this little area here. It's like kind of flat, but there's also this little, it's also kind of wavy. So maybe it's gonna like bounce realistically or something. I don't know. Let's try it anyway. And there we go, we have all of the shots we need, and I think we're good to go. If you would like to see the finished product, it is here somewhere on the screen. Link to that video will also be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!